Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. I'm going to try to talk over the dishwasher. It's running right now. So tomorrow I'm taking that Parmesan chicken Alfredo that I made the other day. And I'm going to take a salad with it. My little paper. Where's my pen? Hold on. Okay, so we're going to have us some cabbage. And we'll see how much I get. Whoa. There we go. 115 grams of cabbage. Okay, so cab 115. I'm going to add some red onions. My fingers are going to stink. That's all right. A little more than that. All right. 15 grams of onion. Onion, 15. Throw you over there. Throw you over there. This will go. Some tomatoes. No, I'm going to use I'm using the tomatoes. Hang on. The sun-dried tomatoes. Let's see. We'll use 10 grams of these. Sun-dried 10. Good thing about these is they don't go bad. I mean, sitting out. Just pop them in the refrigerator and they do good. So I won't use those today. I like the tomatoes. I like doing them with what I had for supper tonight. We're going to do a couple of these roasted red bell peppers. But we're going to put it on a plate and cut them. So, I definitely want to get some more of these. They are not bad calories and carb-wise. They're not bad at all. So, I'll do one more. Ooh, that's a big one. Well, that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. All right, so cut that up. Well, I might not use all of it. So how's your day going? Are you all having a good day? Are you behaving? Yeah. I have not behaved. Not one day in my life have I behaved. You can ask my mama. She'd be like, no, she has not. Okay, let me put that back. Okay. Then we'll see how much this weighs. So I got it zeroed out. It's going to be a very colorful salad. That is, so pep, 50 grams. Oh, I got some jicama here. I'll just break this up onto it. Just to give it a little, well, okay. I'll add whatever it was. Okay, almost. And by using hearty vegetables, they won't get all soggy and yucky. So, pick 30 grams. And I think that is everything that I pulled out of the refrigerator. Put the lid on these. And let's get our dressing on here. We got some Thousand Island. Do do 30 grams of this. Could also add some bacon pieces if you wanted. Endless. You could add some cheese if you wanted. Endless possibilities, y'all. Endless. And this is Skinny Girl poppy seed. Well, that's only 13 grams. Woo! Hey, wait, I got another poppy seed. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I mean, another Skinny Girl. So I'll add this to make it equal 30. This one's Honey Dijon. Alright. There we go. So Wald 30, Skin 30. I need a lid. I'm waiting to find out from my coworker if she's working tomorrow. Because there's one nurse who I've worked with for 10 years and she's been supportive throughout my whole journey. She's the one who I talked about being the gym rat. She's been supportive even whenever she didn't necessarily agree with the way I'm eating. She knew I just needed to change. And she's been so supportive through the whole thing. So I was wanting, when I take these, I was going to take the sandwiches that I made. And, you know, it's funny, they don't look pretty. But that's onion. That's the, you know, the minced onion and the, along with the Worcestershire sauce and all that. So that's why it looks kind of clumped up like that. It doesn't look pretty, but man, it sure tasted good. But if I find out from her that she's going to be at the office tomorrow and not her outer county, I'll take these along so they can taste them. But yeah, so that's my breakfast and my lunch. I got my eggs and my Rutabaga. Look, I almost forgot the spoon. I'll take a fork just in case I need it. So that's my breakfast and lunch. And then I got my coffee. See, I used the vanilla yesterday and French vanilla today. But I really should use them. Hey, one of you all, please don't get mad. You know I can't remember names. I can't remember my own name. She said that whenever she went to a place, order coffee, they were out of French vanilla. So they told her if they put vanilla and hazelnut together, it was almost the same thing. So there we go. That's coming from a barista. Okay, I got to get everything scanned in and plugged in, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye. So I forgot, like I said, I'm going to the Red Hat thing tomorrow, which is, you know, we go out to eat at that pizza place, and I always get a pizza bake, which is basically just a pizza with no crust. And anyway, so I'll have that tomorrow for my supper. So I ain't even going to waste plugging all this into the chronometer because I ain't going to know at the end of the day anyway. So I'm going to have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday without reporting in my macros. Are you all going to be okay? Are you okay? Are you going to be sad? Are you going to cry? Don't cry. Okay, but we'll get back on tracking on Wednesday. Okay, but you see I'm still measuring. So even when I don't track, I still measure stuff. I do that same thing on the weekends. I crack out my eggs, I weigh out my bacon and my cheese. I still weigh it all out. I just don't track it. But anyway, this is a bad habit. I'm not trying to start a new bad habit. So it's just situational. Okay, bye. Good morning. I've got my breakfast, which is eggs and my sliced Rutabaga. So that's what I'm going to eat. Got some wet hair, rough hair going on. Had trouble sleeping last night, so I'm a little discombobulated. Okay, bye. And now it's lunchtime, and I'm having what I showed you last night. It's that Parmesan chicken that I made and the salad that I made. I'm excited to try the roasted red peppers in my salad. I'm going to add more of those to my shopping list. They're really good. And then the Parmesan chicken with mushrooms. I don't remember everything that's in it, but one thing, sometimes whenever I do something that I have like heavy cream in, it almost it kind of turns a little oily. But I think this was brown when I made it the first time. But anyway, oh yeah, it was a brown Alfredo. That's all right. Tastes good. I don't care about that. All I want to know is that it tastes good in my mouth. Okay, let's try it. Ooh. My favorite meal of the day is lunch, always. Because I just always love lunch because I bring enough to make myself full. And then the rest of the day, I'm just cruising on in with a full belly and a happy day. Okay, bye. Be nice to yourself. Okay, bye. Got a one chip salad. Where that is. Here's my hat.
Yeah, she still got
Got the birthday hat on. It's my birthday month, so I get to wear the birthday hat. Okay, bye. And there's my usual pizza bake. It's a pizza bake with everything. Had a great time with the ladies. Oh, let me go I'm going to show you some of the fun stuff we got. Okay, so Eileen, we all drew a number, and then we got to pick out which one we wanted. So, look, isn't that cute? So it had this, and it also had, oh wait, no. This one was because it was my birthday. No, not this. Oh, hang on, I left the necklace in the other room. Okay, so this necklace, it says Amazing Grace. Like, how perfect. And then, so that was because it was my birthday, Miss Eileen. And then she also had a game where we drew and picked our numbers. And look, it's a silver angel. It's kind of hard to see. But she's got like a pinkish, purplish stone here. And then I think that's clear for or purpley. And clear for the head. So I'm like, oh, so I got that. Hang on. Okay. And I can't remember who all gave us what, because I'm just not that. Y'all know, I can't even remember names. One lady, red hats are red and purple. She made origami. This is made out of cloth. So like out of material. So this is not food. And then this one. So one of the things about Sock Monkey is really big with the red hat ladies. So she's got Sock Monkey and this one, both origamis. I'm like, how much talent is that? Oh my gosh. And then hang on, she also made an origami box with the red hat logo on it. This is an origami box. I feel poopy because I'm like, I didn't go all out. I just bought these little random things. And there's some Hershey Kisses in it. So anyway, so that was one. And then she got us a nice little card. So I'm going to try to put the candy together. And anyway, so there's that. And I said the card. And no, that ain't food. I had to kind of deconstruct everything because there was not enough room. Oh, I'll pull it out of here. I put everything in my hat. So I'm going to have to work to get things out. We got, instead of a ring pop, it's a lip pop. How fun is that? And some chocolate. Well, that was a bag that things were in. And some crayons. Set that up there. Sucker. Chocolate. sunglasses. Trying to see if it covers up my glasses. So got some sunglasses. Let's see what else. Hang on. Chocolate. A sucker. Some Smarties, the Sweet Tart Smarties. This is it's one of those frog things, and let's see if I can get it to do it. Lay it. He doesn't have anything, move. You lay it down, you can see it, and you push it, and it jumps. So it's like a little jumping frog. And Smarties. Chocolate. No way, dog. No, I don't need you sick. So chocolate. A chocolate. Oh, and then a cute little ring. A little heart ring. And chocolate. So, yeah, we had a fun time. It was good to visit with the ladies, and yeah. So we meet next time, March 15th, I think is when we meet again. So, all right. So you saw what I ate, and you saw my fun birthday hat that I wore, and yeah. So, all right, bye.